Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress in cPanel. Here you can see this is my host provider, so web host DD, and this is my domain name, unipixel.com. Here you can see login to cPanel. We have option here, so click here and it will actually take you to the cPanel. So basically what you have to do, you have to actually go to the cPanel, okay? Now let me show you how to install WordPress. So go a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, and here you will find scripts, this option, and here you will find WordPress. Now click here WordPress, and here we go. And then we have the option here, you can see install, just click here and install. And now here you can see this is the domain, so you have to actually select the domain name, and in this case I'm going to select this one, testunipixel.com. And that's it. Now here is the WordPress version 6.83. Select it and now click here quick installation. Now go a little bit down, and here you will find username, and that is admin, let's say, and password is, let's say, 123. Now click here and install. Here you can see the software was installed successfully. Now click here the URL, and here we go. Now if you want to go for the admin page, go to the address bar here, say here WP admin, hit enter, and we have given the password, username as admin and password as 123. Click here login, and here we go. Now we can actually access the admin dashboard, right? From here we can add post, pages, plugins, and you can change the theme also. If you hover here and if we click here visit site and open it in a new tab, here you can see this is the site. So guys, this is the way how you can actually install WordPress in cPanel. Thank you so much for watching.